So you live in Israel and you don't speak Hebrew fluently, don't worry about it. I know that sometimes looking for a job can make you want to scream, make you want to pull your hair out, and it can be hard to find a job. And so that's exactly why I made this video, and I promise that by the end of this video, you will have a tool, a great tool that will help you to find a job a lot faster and see that success you're looking for. Stick around for the next video where I'm going to go deeper in on some different websites and some different headhunters that you can use that will help you to find a job in Israel as an immigrant 10 times faster. I promise you. So you've definitely heard of Nefesh B'Nefesh, which is a phenomenal website that is government sponsored. It's a non-profit website, so it's a .org. And one of the greatest things that I like about this website, it's rich. It has a lot of information for immigrants, people who have moved to Israel, that they can take advantage of to understand exactly what they need to do in order to get comfortable, in order to find exactly what they need to find while they're in the country, because, well, you're a newcomer. So I want to give you this quick tour of this website, specifically on the aspect of how to find a job on this website. Like you can see here, it's very rich. There's a lot of tabs that you can click on, and I do recommend that you take your time and go through the website thoroughly. But we're going to start right at the beginning, which is the job board. Classic. Type in what you're looking for, type in the field you're looking for, type in what city you want to work in. There's thousands of jobs on there. You can see there's part-time, full-time, student positions, internships, and etc. They have a huge list of headhunters, and that's what I wanted to be able to focus on here, because this huge list of headhunters is really gathered here on this website, and you might be looking for a headhunter. I mean, a headhunter is a great way to find a job in Israel. They will look for you. You don't have to look for the job. They will find the job. They'll set you up with the interview, and you've just got to be able to nail it. You're going to probably see there's about 50 to 60 different headhunters, whether you're in high tech, whether you're in sales, whether you're a lawyer, for example. It doesn't matter. There's definitely a headhunter here in Israel that can help you to find a job. The best thing about using Nefesh B'Nefesh is you know it's all legit. I know you're on Facebook watching this video right now, or you're on YouTube, and I want you to know Nefesh B'Nefesh, well, that's a serious website. All of the information that you're going to find in there is incredibly reliable, and if you need to, you can contact them, no problem. Please, if you are on the job hunt, spread out your wings and fly. Spread your options to as many places as possible by finding a headhunter and putting them to work for you as well. It's completely free. You've just got to be able to use and access the Nefesh B'Nefesh list here. And that's what I'm showing you. So now that you know exactly how to find the list, don't take another second watching this video. Click on the pause button, go up to your browser. Please check out this phenomenal website. Get in there, look around. The website, Nefesh B'Nefesh. Don't hesitate. You're trying to find a job. I know you're sick and tired of looking all day, all night. You just want to have interviews. You don't want to spend a lot of time looking around and clicking around. So that being said, do what you gotta do, and good luck on your journey.
Thank you so much for watching the video, and we hope you were able to pull just a bit of value from it. If you made it to the end here, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and comment down below what you learned from the video. Also, please give us some comments and some thoughts about some other videos we can make to help you in everything that you want to do. You take care.